bought these tires last spring in 2019, and my main reason for buying these was mostly for the wintertime. And when I bought my truck, it's a 2016 F-150 XLT. And when I first bought it, it had the factory tires on it, and they absolutely sucked in the wintertime. As you can see, I live in the Northeast, and we get snow. And the factory tires on this truck in the snow were friggin' horrible. So I wanted something a little bit better, and these tires have 10,000 miles on them now. I think I got them probably, I would say April, March, May, right around there last year, and they've held up really well. You can barely see any tread wear at all on them. They're holding up quite well. Of course, it helps if you do the proper tire rotation and all that stuff too to help with it. It's really hard to see any good detail because it is kind of dark in the wheel well and it's not very sunny at all today, but you kind of get the picture. My opinion on these tires for winter driving is I like them a lot. I wasn't sure how they would be. I have never owned a set of Coopers before, but I'm definitely not disappointed with them at all. They came out really well as far as how I feel about the tires and how they perform in the snow. I'll do a quick view of my driveway here. Maybe kind of hard to see the angle of my driveway, but it's slanted up, and I'll go to the top so you can maybe see better going down. But the point is that I'm making is that when I had the stock factory tires on the truck, trying to go up the driveway in the wintertime, I'd have to use four-wheel drive a lot of the time, and it's a fairly decent grade. It's not anything crazy, but it was enough so that I couldn't even pull out of my driveway when it was covered with ice and snow. And with these tires on, I haven't had to put it in four-wheel drive at all to get out of my driveway. We've had a lot of snow melt, as you can see, even though it's January, but this was completely covered with snow up until a few days ago, and these have performed extremely well. I've driven the truck in a few snowstorms that were pretty decent, and I had no problems in four-wheel drive with this. It hugged the road really well. It didn't have any problems with traction, losing any kind of traction or anything like that. I mean, these tires were great. So if you're looking at a set of tires, I would definitely recommend these as a good all-around all-terrain tire. I didn't want to put something on this truck that was like a mud tire or anything like that, and I didn't want like a touring tire either, like what came on the truck. Those tires are built for comfortable ride and longevity, and these tires actually have a 60,000 mile warranty on them, which is pretty damn cool. And so far they're holding up well. And I did buy these Coopers at the time with a $70 mail-in rebate, and they weren't, I mean, altogether it was about $700 for the set, but with a $70 mail-in rebate, that did knock it down a decent amount. But I just wanted to give an overview on these tires. I mean, I enjoy them, I like them, and if I were to buy another set of tires, I would highly recommend these for the price point that you can get them at and the quality of tire that I've gotten out of this so far with about 10,000 miles on them. I'm pretty damn happy with it. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for watching. I'll do a link in the end of this video if you want to see an install on this Raptor grill that I did on my truck. Got a lot of hits on that so far. So if you have an F-150 between 2015 to 17 and you want to get one of these grills, you do have to buy the F and the R letters because of copyright restrictions from Ford. You can't, these come with squares. It kind of looks like the D and the O that replace the F and the R. when you buy these from like Barricade, and there's other companies that sell them too. But you have to buy the letters, and then they unscrew from the back, and you can have it spell Ford, but you can't buy it spelling Ford unless you buy an actual Raptor grill, which is pretty damn expensive. But if you want to see that video, I will link that in there too. But thank you for watching, and until next time.